Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good cinnamon toast crunch. Very easy to make. Just follow along with my video and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, our first ingredients, what we're going to use is we're going to use 2 cups of flour, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Okay, we're going to whisk this together. We'll add in, we're going to start with our milk, a 1/2 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 of a cup of butter. Okay, we're going to stir this in very well. I find it better to use your hands to knead it. A lot better. Okay, over this I want to put another parsnip paper, a roller pin, and I'm going to just roll this out really thin as I can. I found it much easier just to use one of these than a knife, if you got one. Use a pizza cutter. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go along and we're just going to melt this on each one of these with butter on it. Okay, another thing you want to do, you also want to put a few holes into these so they don't pop up. Okay, next we're going to put some cinnamon sugar on this. Okay, here's homemade. Check out that homemade cinnamon toast crunch. Very delicious. Alright, we're going to pour some good milk over these cinnamon toast crunch. Homemade. That should be good enough right there. Now we're going to grab our spoon and we're going to oh, that is so delicious. It's chestnut crunch. Very easy to make. Anyways, I want you to, if you ain't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and I will keep you updated with new episodes coming out every day. Thank y'all, and y'all have a great day.